Hi students, this is Katie O'Connor. I am the Program Manager for Education at NMSU Grants, and I'm here to show you how to access an online course through Zoom. So hopefully I can help you do that and help you transition from a face-to-face to an online course. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Essentially, what you'll do is you will sign on to my.nmsu.edu. You will click on New Mexico State University, which will bring you into your portal. You'll want to go ahead and put your username and password in. If you don't remember what that is, you can reset your password and click on Forgot Username if you forgot your username. So if you get stuck, just pay attention to the small writing down here underneath the sign in box. You can sign in, and essentially it'll bring you to your My NMSU portal. So at this point in time, you will be able to find learn.nmsu.edu right here, or I dragged mine up here under favorites because this is something that I use all the time. So if I click there, it'll bring me to my dashboard. And this is my Canvas dashboard where all my courses are located. As you can see, I am either a teacher or helping other instructors work on their courses, so I'm part of a lot of different courses. So you will not have this many courses show up on your Canvas, so don't worry about that. You'll have your courses that you're taking this semester, and basically we have the SPAN112 right here. So we're going to click on that and it'll bring you to your course. Now this is the instructor view, so I'm going to move that out of the way, show you the student view. This is what you'll be seeing as a student coming into the course. So you see a welcome, the dates the course are in effect, which semester you're in, and the name of the class, Elementary Spanish 2. There's usually an image there and an announcement from your instructor. Also, here is the click here to access the student Zoom Quick Start Guide. So you will need to access that and set up your own computer with Zoom so that you will be able to access the Zoom meetings. As you can see here, I haven't made this link active, but you will have a Zoom meeting schedule. So your instructor wants to meet every Tuesday and Thursday at your regular class times from 4 to 5:15. So you will be meeting at that time via Zoom. So you'll need to get your Quick Start Guide and get set up right away. I'm going to show you also how to access Zoom in this session. So here's a little announcement from your instructor. Click here to get started gives you all the information you might need to know about getting into the course or things you might need to know in the course. Little details like accessibility, discussion guidelines, technology requirements, an overview for the course. There's a little bit of everything here, so I would encourage you to check it out. Also, as you scroll down your home page, you can also see the book that's required for this course and also where to get it. So if you click on the NMSU bookstore link here, you'll be able to go right to the bookstore and order your book if you haven't already done so. At the very bottom is your instructor's contact information should you need to contact her to discuss any issues you might have. So that is your home page. Next, this is the home menu right here on the left-hand side of your screen. So if you go to the home menu, you can click on syllabus. I haven't put the syllabus in, so you don't see it yet, but it will show up there. Announcements. Basically, this is where your instructor will be putting announcements. I'm the course designer, so I basically have put an announcement in for you, but I am not your instructor for this course. I'm simply a course designer. click on assignments. And also, for announcements, I would recommend you check your announcements each week, as your instructor will be updating you on the course and what's going on in the course. Here will be assignments. Here's discussions, grades, and here you see in your grades you have your assignments, and here you have a score out of whatever points there is for the assignment. If you come back to grades, you can tell when your instructor has graded your assignment, and also by the end of the semester down here, you'll be able to see your final grade. So you want to keep checking in and making sure that your work is getting graded. Any quizzes that will be made will be here, and also modules. Now, I would recommend you go straight to modules because you can access everything from modules. So here you see several modules that I've put up so far. There will be a few more coming, so it's not all completed yet. But you can access all of these modules and all of these assignments right now. So if you want to work ahead, you're able to do that. Feel free to do that. So basically, this is called a module list right here. And in the list, you're going to find the first lesson, which is really the module map. If you click on the module map, it tells you what are you doing this week for this chapter, what your objectives are, what to read, what chapter in your textbook. Also, if there's any videos, it'll show up here. Here we have listed your Zoom meeting. Click for Tuesday night. So first one is on March 31st and April 2nd. So you want to pay attention to that. Here is your discussion. So essentially you will click here to begin discussion, and there it is. There's your discussion. I would recommend that you copy and paste these into your reply box and put them in bold, and then add your replies under each question. That way you're keeping track of all of your work. Also, if you'd rather do it on a Word document, you can, and you can attach it right here. If you click on attach, it opens up a browse button, and you can search your computer to find that document. Just make sure you named it and dated it so you know that it's discussion 9 of your Spanish 112 course. When you're done, you either have your document attached or you've replied in the comment box. Click post reply, and that will send your information, your assignment, to your instructor. It will also open up all of the other discussions that have been posted, so then you can respond to your other classmates and see what they're saying for their discussions. But you will not be able to see anyone's discussion until you post yours first. Now, I would recommend that you keep a copy of it because you're going to probably need to practice your sentences and your responses in your Zoom meeting. So be prepared to speak the words and speak your sentences so that you know, so that you can practice speaking Spanish. So that's your modules basically. And just keep in mind that for each module, you'll probably have the module map and a discussion, and some of these might have assignments built in, but right now they're just discussions. So keep in mind that this might be updated as you move through the semester. Also under home menu is student help and Office 365. I'm not sure exactly what happens on student help, so it'd be interesting for you to click on it and find out. Office 365, if you don't have a way to do a Word document, this offers you a way to download it to your computer through your My NMSU username and password, and you'll be able to use it and create documents and basically have Word document if you need it. Last but not least, well, almost last, is Zoom. If you click on Zoom, this is what you're going to find. You're going to find a list of meeting dates and times. So you have you can see here, March 31st, April 2nd, April 7th. And when you come into this button, you click join and you will be able to join the meeting. Now, this is like having a live class. Your video will pop up, you'll be able to speak, and everyone on there, you'll be able to see your instructor and your classmates, and everyone will be able to speak. The only problem might be is if you don't have a camera in your laptop or computer, that might be a little bit difficult. And you may need to find an alternate way to get your information to your instructor rather than join the Zoom meetings. Or you may need to find out if you can check out a laptop that maybe has a camera in it. So keep that in mind. That might be a good question for IT or student services. So feel free to ask those questions and find out. Again, we're just learning how to use Zoom, so hopefully we're helping everyone to advance to the next level for online courses. There's also some information on coronavirus through LibGuides. LibGuides are through the library, and they offer specialized information and will show up here under your home menu when it comes up. So keep a watch for that. A lot of things are changing with the coronavirus, so make sure you check out our website. And like us on Facebook and like our library page on Facebook. That way you can kind of keep track of what's going on. I'm going to take you back to the home menu. So that's your course. You can also notice over here in the red, you can find your dashboard, courses, calendar, which if you click on your calendar, I believe it'll open up and it should show you what's been scheduled. So I'm not seeing that. So I'm not quite sure why that's not working, but do keep watching it because things may change. Click your inbox if you want to email your instructor or your classmates. You'll be able to do that from here. This is just a test student view, so you won't be able to really see that. But on your account, you'll be able to click in your inbox and use it as your mailbox to email your instructor. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I hope that you can find your course and find what you need. I'm going to leave the student view right now, take you back to the dashboard, and again, just make sure you look for your course. I'm probably going to add a picture here to your Spanish course, so you'll be able to see the picture that's right here. And basically, I think it's a very joyful picture in this kind of unjoyous time. So keep in mind, we need to find our joy when we can. Everybody stay well, everybody stay happy. I'm going to stop sharing with you here. And thank you for tuning in. Again, I'm Katie O'Connor at NMSU. If you have any questions, make sure that you contact your instructor. Her contact information is at the bottom of the homepage, so you can call her, you can email her, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to email me as well at katioco@nmsu.edu. That's KATIOCO@nmsu.edu. So I hope everybody has a good evening. Stay healthy, stay well, stay tuned in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.